Today, let's draw a cute little bat together. Step 1. Let's draw 2 little ears. They look like tiny mountains. Now, let's draw a round face. Draw a long oval shape right under the face. This is a bat's body. Time for the wings. Draw a big mountain shape on the sides. These are the tops of the wings. Now, let's close the wings with a zigzag line. Let's draw one more wing on the other side. Draw 2 small circles for the eyes and 1 tiny circle for a nose. Last step, draw a happy smile, and don't forget to pointy teeth. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.